think we could do it if we tried. If only to say you're mine. Sophia, know that you and I.
Kung may cancer.
Yes. At ang starting ng tour natin sa the church, but we are already here, so we can do the church after the tour.
We are on our way to the Hanging Coffin. I'm always the adventurous kind of girl, always ready to seize the day and try things I've never tried before. Kaya naman, nung nagpunta kami sa Sagada, kinuha ko na yung opportunity para mag-rock climbing. I'm not an FBI. Hi guys! So, ito na. Ito na talaga, legit. Check sa bucket list kasi may gear. Another check in my bucket list. Who would have thought that this will be the last out-of-town gala namin as a family this year? Rappelling din ba ito?
Pag matapos mo sa yung mag-akit.
Rappelling, pagpababa na. So, anong kailangan ko una? Nagpunta kami sa Sagada without any activity in mind. That's how we are. Spontaneous. Our family just wanted to get away and do some road trip. We are on our tour to Hanging Coffin of Echo Valley when I saw this rock climbing activity spot. Ang tawag dito kaya? Rock climbing. Rappelling din ba ito? So, anong kailangan ko unang gawin? Mag-pray.
Mag-sorry sa lahat ng may kasalanan.
Gagawin mo pag tapos yung sa sapatos mas magandang dulo lang ng
Dulo
sapatos.
lang.
Ako lang yung mag-assist sa'yo para in case na malaglag ka, hindi ka dire-dire.
Medyo may pose.
Start na ba? Okay.
Yung sa bato yung akitin mo, wag yung sa ano. Dito banda.
Saan ako mag-start dito?
Okay.
So, ito.
Chay, gamitin mo Chay yung utak mo.
Nakita ko to sa Princess Diaries eh. We are on our tour to Hanging Coffin of Echo Valley when I saw this rock climbing activity spot and immediately asked my parents to let me try it. Of course, ayaw nila at first. They were so scared that I might get hurt.
Sir, to your destination, darkness is quite near your feet and senses through your ears. And tide is rising, drought is non-existent. Sins are washed away, all the faults that you were facing. Sunset chaser, where's your new location? Searching for a purpose, the truth is making you nervous.
Ang tagal mo, Carla. Bilisan mo. Napatunayan mo ba na hindi mo kailangan ang...
Jowa?
Bakit? Requirement ba? Required ba? Hindi naman na.
Uy,
Required namin, Hana.
tandaan mo, hindi ka magka-qualify maihang doon pag hindi ka nag-asawa.
Congratulations
Thank you!
for surviving the rock climbing.
Thank you so much. FBIers, FBI. I survived. Thank you, kuya. Kita nyo ba? Kuya, gano'ng kataas tong...
Ikaw naman NDF, no boyfriend forever.
Ano, 90 feet. Guys, 90 feet.
Okay. So what? No.
So,
I feel so
Ma'am.
accomplished.
Makapagpahinga ka na, kaya mo naman. Okay, ma'am, pay it.
Mother!
iya, alaw akong mapalibig.
But they are also the type of parents who will let their children to explore and experience life with all the goodness and the hardship in it. With that, thank you, Mama and Papa!